Jai Hind all of you. I am again here with a new video of class 5 maths. Today I will discuss exercise 2.1. Here you can see question number 1. Find the sum of the following and also mark the periods in the answer. So we have to add. So simply students, you can add 1 plus 1 2, 4 plus 2 6, 9 plus 2 11, carry 1, 9 5 14, carry 1, it will be 6 plus 6 12, carry 1, and it will be 10. So you have to mark the periods according to Indian place value chart. So after 3 digit and after then 2 digit. So it will be 10, 24, 162. In the same way you can do rest of the part of this question. Now here is question number 2. Add the following. So you have to write it in columns and you have to add. So simply you can do B, C, D, all the parts of this question you have to simply add. Now in question number 3 you have to add both the digits, means if it is written that more than, so in this type of question you have to add the numbers. So 600 more than this number, so you have to add 600 in this number. So 600 means right side must be equal, it should be 006, means right side पे ये digit होनी चाहिए, right side खाली नहीं होनी चाहिए. Now question number 4 here is find the missing digits in each of the following. So हमें यहाँ पे डिजिट बताने क्या डिजिट होनी चाहिए. तो सिंपली एडिशन का क्वेश्चन है, तो किस तरह से करते हैं स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स सी. 8 + 4 12, 12 जब लिखते हैं तो 2 लिखते हैं और कैरी 1 हम लगा देते हैं. अब कैरी ऐड होगा और यहाँ पे कोई डिजिट होगी और जिससे कि ये 3 आया होगा आगे. अब देखते हैं कैरी अगर 6 में आप ऐड करें ये हो जाता है 7. तो 7 में क्या ऐड किया होगा जिससे कि ये 3 आ गया होगा. अब 7 में कुछ ऐड करके तो 3 आता नहीं है क्योंकि ग्रेटर डिजिट ही आएगी 7 से. सो ये 3 नहीं है तो 3 फिर क्या हो सकती है जिसमें लास्ट में 3 हो, तो इट इज़ 13. सो 7 एंड कितना 13 होता है 6. सो हेयर विल बी 6, 13 कैरी 1. अब जो डिजिट आपको गिवन है उसी में ऐड कर दीजिए. इसमें 8 and 1 9 हो जाता है. 9 के आगे 5 कहाँ आता है 15 पे. सो 9 के कितने आगे आता है 15, 6 आगे आता है. तो 6 यहाँ पे हम लिख देंगे 6. 15 अगेन कैरी 1. ऐसे ही इन दोनों को ऐड, सभी को ऐड कर देते हैं. 5 and 3 8. सो हेयर विल बी 8 एंड नो कैरी दिस टाइम. सो 6 के आगे 9 कहाँ पे आता है 3 आगे, तो यहाँ पे हम 3 लिख देते हैं. सो इन दिस वे वी कैन सॉल्व दीज क्वेश्चंस. Rest of the part B, C, D you can do like this. Here is question number 5. Solve the following word problems. So a word problem is Miss Rao purchased a house for rupees this. She spent rupees 59,000 on whitewashing and rupees 11,20,290 on furniture. Find the total amount spent by Miss Rao on a new house. So students, total जो भी amount given है उनको ऐड करेंगे तो total spent यहाँ पे आ जाता है. So let's see how we will do it. So here we can write total amount spent we have to find. So amount spent on house, it is rupees 5320,430. Again money spent or amount spent on whitewash, so it is equal to 59,000 it is. Okay, it is 59,000 and spent on furniture. So it is 11,20,290. 11 2290. So simply you have to add it and you can get total amount spent. So add it: 0, 9, 3, 12, carry 1, 5, 5 to 7, 9, 5 for 9, again 4 and 6. So comma according to Indian place value chart. So here is the answer: 64,99,720. So this is the answer. Now here is B part. A car company produced 1,27,695 cars in the year 2007. 98,895 cars in the year 2008 and 3,05,789 cars in 2009. So what was the total number of cars produced in 3 successive years? Okay, in which year were the most cars produced? So किस ईयर में सबसे ज़्यादा कार प्रोड्यूस हुई है? So here is 3,05,789 in the 2009. So सबसे ज़्यादा जो कार प्रोड्यूस हुई है वो 2009 में प्रोड्यूस हुई है. So students, we can do it like this, that number of cars produced in 2007, it is 127,695, and number of cars produced, similarly we have to write, in 2008, it will be 98,895, and number of cars produced in 2009, so it is 3,05,789. So total cars produced, total number of cars produced, it will be, if we add 5, 5, 10, 9, 19, carry 1, 19, 8, 27, carry 2, 23, 2, 9, 8, 17, 5, 22, carry 2 again, so 4, 13, it will be carry 1, so it will be 5. So total number of cars are 5,32,379. Now we have to find in which year more number of cars are produced. So in, we can write now, in 2009 more cars are produced. Now C part is, Mr. Jain purchased a bike at the showroom price of 14,35,690, spent rupees 35,975 on its accessories and paid 46,760 on its registration, insurance and road tax. What was the total amount he had to pay for the bike? So let's see how we will do it. So we can write showroom price of bike. Next, spent on accessories, or we can, this is, and we can write money paid on registration, insurance and road tax. Combinedly it is 46,760. Now total amount to be paid. So we have to add all the three amounts and we get the answer 15,18,425. So students, I hope you have understand these questions, and so do the practice of these questions. Take care, keep smiling, keep studying. Have a nice day.